The Chamber of Commerce is lobbying to provide specific immunity for employers. Eyewitness News' Kayla Sullivan reports from our Indiana State House newsroom.
Concerns over COVID-19 related lawsuits are being expressed across the country.
Do we even open up? Because for fear we've got all these problems on top of it, and then we've got this liability exposure if we have our employees come in.
That's the kind of conversation the Indiana Chamber of Commerce says it is having with employers right now. It created a task force on the topic.
We are expecting the federal government to come up with something yet within the next month, hopefully by sometime in July, to address these concerns.
In the meantime, the Indiana Chamber's Vice President of Healthcare and Employment Law suggests companies follow CDC and executive order guidelines the best they can.
We have to make certain that those guidelines are broad enough, but yet don't pigeonhole to impact employers that have smaller and less resources in HR and finances to do what some of the larger employers can do.
The Indiana Chamber wants to keep the burden of proof on the employee and guarantee that lawsuits stem from actual damages and not just the risk of damages.
You got to have some serious injury or death related to specific to coronavirus.
Stephanie Hahn is an attorney exclusive to employment law. She says what the Indiana Chamber is trying to do goes against the United States judicial system.
In almost every case, the burden is initially on the plaintiff, the person who brings the lawsuit. And to the extent that they bring a frivolous lawsuit, they're going to be held accountable to that. So I think that really is a red herring, and the Chamber of Commerce is making a mountain out of a molehill.
She fears special protections during the pandemic will open up more expanded protections for employers in Indiana.
Frankly, I think if the legislature and the governor give them an inch, they're going to take a mile.
But the Indiana Chamber says these unique times call for specific protections, and you can expect more information on its proposal soon.
We hope to, in the next 30 days, to have a very solid policy that we're going to push.
From the Indiana State House newsroom, Kayla Sullivan, Eyewitness News.